Now, I have an awesome method for you right now, right now, for you to make money online. Very easy to do. You don't need any experience. You don't need any skills to do this. This is absolutely easy. You can do this on your phone, or you can decide to do this on your computer. Now, all you need to do is watch this video all the way to the end, because I'm going to explain to you what you need to do, how you are going to do it so that you can actually make money. I'm going to break it down so that it's not confusing. So don't skip the video, just watch the video till the end. It's not a long video at all. Now, this is absolutely free. You don't have to pay any money to do this. Don't worry about spending money, and it's available worldwide, wherever you are. If you're in Africa, Australia, South America, Asia, America, Australia, Europe, wherever you are, it doesn't matter. You can get access to this opportunity. Now, before I show you this method, please subscribe to the AD Money channel right now. Just click subscribe. It's absolutely free to subscribe. You don't pay any money to subscribe. So please subscribe. It will really help me a lot. And turn on the notification bell. Just click that bell over there so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to get a notification. So the website I want to show you is Scarlet Clicks. It's called Scarlet Clicks. Now, Scarlet Clicks is a place where you can make money. Now, as you can see over here, the total paid is $2,387,359 US. That is a lot of money already, and there's about 945, almost a million members at the moment, because this is an easy platform for you to make money. As you can see, click ads, earn money, cash out. Now, what I want to show you, when you come over here, you're going to see something called the Scarlet Grid. So the Scarlet Grid looks like this. You're going to get something like this, and it has many boxes within this picture. They're going to provide you with a picture, and every box is money. So you get $1.50 for every time you click on one of these boxes. Now, how many boxes are there? As we can see over here, when you see over here, the numbers changes every time I go onto a box. As you can see, now it's 8 times 10. Now it's 10 times 18. So over here you see it's 20 times 28. So if we want to find out how many boxes there are, it's 20 times 28. So we have 560 boxes times $1.50. So you are going to make this amount of money just for one photo. Do you understand the potential of this? Do you understand the potential? You need to know how great this is. Now, how does it work? Every time you click on a box, it takes you to a certain website. As you can see, we've clicked on one box, and wait for it, it's going to take us to a new website over here. So as it's taken us over here, we've seen that, oh, this website is something different. Now, what you need to do, you don't need to sign up. You don't need to do anything here. All you need to do is stay on this website for 30 seconds. Once you've been on this website for 30 seconds, you can close it, and that's where you get your money. So when you click on another box, it will take you to a different website. So the same thing, you don't need to sign up. You can just scroll down and maybe read through it and see whatever, but you don't need to do anything. Just stay on here for 30 seconds and then you're going to get your money. So once again, you click on maybe a different one, then it will take you to this, something different. So you can maybe scroll down and see what it's about and just look around. But all you need to do is make sure you're on this for 30 seconds because they count every 30 seconds. So after 30 seconds, that's when they pay you your money. So this is what you're going to be doing for every single box until you finish, so that you can make the money every single time. So it's absolutely easy. For example, let's click on here again and let's see which website it's going to take us to. Let's see, what is this? Okay, so now we're on a different website over here. So you can just scroll down. Just make sure that you stay on here for 30 seconds. That's all you need to do. So that's what happens. Now, there's so many images that they'll show you. Once you finish with the entire box, if you've done clicking on every single box, then you'll get another image. You can get another photo, and you can repeat this process every single day. You can do as many as you like. It doesn't have a limitation. So it's absolutely awesome to do, and that is what I love about this. Now, let me show you something. Over here, as you can see, there's a bonus method that they show you. They give you actually at the end of every month, where they'll just give you something small. If you've been active with this, they'll just add something to your money, just an extra something, just to keep you motivated for the top members that actually use this. And also, there's also another method to make more money. When you refer your friends to join Scarlet Clicks, every time they make money on the website, you actually get more money. So the more you refer, the more money you get. So for example, this guy has referred 13 people, and this is the money he's made so far. This person, 19 people, the money. So people are just referring people. You can just refer a couple of people that you know, and then you're going to make more money for yourself. It's absolutely easy to do. And you definitely need to register. What you need to do is you want to register, put in your first name, your day of birth, username, password, email address, confirm your email, just put in, confirm your password as well. Then you just want to indicate how you would like to receive your money. If you want to use Paye, Bitcoin, Nutella, Skrill, ATM, Litecoin, Dash, then you want to put in this image verification, then click the box and register. So this is absolutely easy to do. This is the method that I want to show you today. This is all I want to show you today because it's so easy to do, and so many people are actually doing this. As you can see over here, total members, almost 1 million people are getting access to this opportunity because it is so easy. You must understand the reason it's so easy. It's so easy because every time you click on this box, for example, let's click on this box and let's see, it's going to take us to a certain website, a certain web page. Now we are over here. Let's wait for it a bit. As we can see, we are here. We don't need to sign up or join or anything. We just need to be here for 30 seconds. Now you must understand the reason that they took us here is because this company actually paid Scarlet Clicks to actually promote their website. So this King.exchange has paid Scarlet Clicks to promote their website. So Scarlet Clicks decided to put it in a form of a grid so that when you click on the actual box and you end up on this place right here, this King Exchange, then the money that they provided to Scarlet Clicks is just going to give you a little percentage of that money because they just want more people to have idea about their website. So all these are actually just new websites and companies that are not really recognized, and they actually want more exposure. So they decided to spread the word to Scarlet Clicks, and Scarlet Clicks decided to combine all these websites and put them in the form of a grid so that every time you click on one and you end up on a new website, just stay on there for 30 seconds. Just because you've been exposed to something new, you're going to get a percentage of that money. So that is basically why you are busy getting paid for such an easy task to do. So remember to register. It's absolutely free. Don't worry about spending money to do this. And thank you so much. Please like the video for the fact that it's so easy to do. Please like the video. I would really appreciate that. And if you have any comments, please comment your questions down below in the comments section. Subscribe to the AD Money channel if you haven't already. I would really appreciate that. Just click subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my new videos. And if you haven't watched the rest of my videos to help you make more money online, please go onto my playlist. I have a playlist there for you to make more money online. Thank you so much, and cheers.